Today, we're diving into the Kingston Fury Renegade DDR5 memory, specifically the 32GB kit, clocked at a blazing 6,000 metric tons S. Engineered for those who crave peak performance, this RAM is a game-changer for gamers, content creators, and overclocking enthusiasts. First off, let's talk design. The aggressive aluminum heat spreader not only looks sleek in its white and silver finish but also ensures optimal thermal management, keeping your system cool under pressure. This aesthetic enhancement is perfect for modern PC builds, adding both style and substance. Performance-wise, the Kingston Fury Renegade DDR5 doesn't disappoint. With speeds up to 7,200 metric tons S, this RAM pushes the boundaries of what DDR5 can do. The transition to DDR5 brings a host of improvements, including on-die ECC for more reliable DRAM components, and an onboard PMIC that balances power efficiently. This makes extreme overclocking more stable than ever before. What sets this memory apart is its Intel XMP 3.0 certification. This technology simplifies the overclocking process with pre-optimized factory timings, speeds, and voltages. It also offers up to 2 customizable profiles, allowing you to fine-tune your settings directly on the DIMM. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned overclocker, XMP 3.0 makes achieving top-tier performance a breeze. Compatibility is another strong suit of the Kingston Fury Renegade DDR5. It's rigorously tested and qualified by the world's leading motherboard manufacturers. This ensures that you can build your system with confidence, knowing that this RAM will integrate seamlessly with your chosen components. In summary, the Kingston Fury Renegade DDR5 is designed to maximize your system's performance, making it an ideal choice for demanding applications. Its combination of cutting-edge technology, reliable overclocking potential, and stylish design makes it one of the best DDR5 memory options available. Whether you're pushing your system to the limit with the latest games or handling intensive multitasking, this RAM kit is up to the challenge. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.